Hey guys, let's talk about the Tori Belle Cosmetics Starter Kit. So enrollment is opening off and on between now and when we actually launch in August. So if you sign up, if you're one of those lucky people that gets a chance to sign up, you are considered a founder of Tori Belle Cosmetics. And whenever you sign up, you get your joint kit, which is $99. And in August, that is going to change. The price of that is going to change. So I just wanted to show you what comes in your starter kit for Tori Belle Cosmetics. So you get the Works, which is the brow and liner kit. So inside you have there are 4 options of colors for your brows. I picked brown. I think there's taupe brown, dark brown, and black. So you can choose one of those 4. And then you get the little brow brush, and it also comes with, different stencils for your brows. So that's called the Works. It says for brows, lids, waterline, and tightline. So you can use it for all eye-related things. And then you get the lashes and the liner. So this is the magnetic eyeliner. So you're going to get one of these so that you can apply your lashes. And then you're going to get the little case that holds your lashes. It's magnetic, and actually they're not in there because I am wearing them. And then it has these little anchors. So if you're going out and I am not wearing the anchors, I'm just wearing the lashes. If you're going out somewhere that's particularly windy, or you feel like you're going to be riding roller coasters at an amusement park all day or something crazy, you might want to pop on an anchor, and you just clip it in like right underneath, and it's sort of on there. But they stay on me fine without it. I've been in the wind and it's no big thing. They're still here. So these are the 9 to 5. They come in the cute little magnetic box. It gives you application instructions on the back, and they are so easy. So there we go. I just pulled one off. So now I have one on my left eye. This one has one, this one doesn't because I pulled it off. And they're so easy to pop right back on. What? So, and do you see how easy I did that? This is my 3rd day wearing that. That's it. 3rd day. 3rd. Join kids. So today, actually, as I'm filming this, today at noon, we are opening enrollment for 500 founders. Today is July 1st at noon Eastern time, which is my time because I live in Baltimore. At noon today, you can sign up to be a consultant, and it's only $99 for the kit that I just showed you. And then you also have the opportunity to get booster packs for the extra lashes or the eyeshadow palettes that we have. We have 2 different eyeshadow palettes. Those are also available in booster packs if you're interested in those. I just wanted all the lashes. So that's all about the join kit and everything you need to know about joining Tori Belle. So if you're interested in signing up and you want to be a founder, hit me up.